When the skies turn grey and the storm rolls in, driving in the UK can be challenging. But with caution and the right preparation, you can navigate safely through the rain and wind. Before you set off, check your lights, brakes, wipers and tyres. Ensure they're storm ready. Slow down. Wet roads reduce traction and it's easier to lose control. Keep a generous distance from the vehicle ahead. Stopping distances can double in wet conditions. If your car begins to aquaplane, don't brake suddenly. Ease off the gas and steer straight until you regain control. In gusty winds, be extra cautious on bridges and around high-sided vehicles. AlloyGator can help you protect your wheels from storm damage like flying debris and potholes. In severe weather, it's often safest to delay your journey. With these tips, you're ready to face the storm with confidence. Stay safe and keep your journey smooth with AlloyGator.